A real estate agent is very important during the process. Now, it's really important that we find a real estate agent that is an expert, that has a tremendous amount of knowledge, that's doing a good amount of transactions, because we don't want to have a real estate agent that is only doing 1 or 2 transactions a year, because there's so much that goes on and there's a lot of moving parts that happen during your transaction that you're going to need a real estate agent for. The key factors, the real estate agents are going to know the market, they're going to know the individual neighborhoods, they're going to know the subdivisions, they're going to know appreciation percentages, the absolute best during the transaction. That's what their expertise is. And so, you can't just rely on websites and Zillow.com for what different appreciation numbers are, because real estate is so localized that literally, one neighborhood can be completely different than a neighborhood right across the street. The other big thing that the real estate agents are going to get kind of earn their keep on is going to be in the negotiation periods. They're going to be the ones that are going to help you get into contract, especially in multiple offer and bidding war situations. They're going to be the ones that help you negotiate the best price and make sure that you don't get taken advantage of. And then once in contract, they're going to help hold your hand and navigate through all of the challenging waters, so to speak, of inspections and appraisals and all of that. So a good expert real estate agent who hustles, who knows the market, is just crucial to have in this process. So we want to help you with that. So let's make sure that you have an expert realtor that's doing a great job for you. So you can check out more information about this on our website at theheckmangroup.com, or just call or text our office and we can have that conversation specific to your scenario, and then just make sure that you're in the best position, especially with your real estate agent. We cannot wait to help you with your home buying process.